everyone, it's Audrey Weidman. I'm coming to you from a kitchen, and I wanted to share a little bit about why I am juicing. First of all, juicing is a way to extract all the vitamins and enzymes from a lot of fruits and vegetables in a very concentrated way, because it would be really hard, I'm going to turn the camera down, to eat all of this stuff, which I'm going to be making a juice out of. But you can get most of the nutrients except for the fiber, which there's reasons to juice and there's reasons to put these in a smoothie. But I am choosing to juice because I'm going to get a concentrated hit of nutrients from my juicing. And the enzymes will help me to digest food. It's also going to give my intestinal tract a break from digesting. And it's very, all of the stuff that I am juicing is organic. And so the probiotics, or the bacteria that are naturally present, these soil-based bacteria, can be very beneficial for your gut health. So that is why I am juicing. Hi Brett, nice to see you. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to show you, turn the camera down one more time here, and I've got romaine, a whole head of romaine, a couple of carrots, some cilantro, a green apple with everything, a peeled lemon, and some celery that I am going to put on and show this. Hi Lynn, nice to see you. And I'm going to turn on my juicer, which, let me move the camera. Oops. Let me move the camera over here. I got this juicer. It's a Breville juicer that I actually happened to get from Facebook Marketplace, which is a great resource if you haven't tried that. And I'm going to turn that on. And there's different speeds for how hard the thing is. And I guess the other thing I'm going to do here is I'm cutting the carrots so that they'll fit into the juicer. And I've got different speeds of my juicer. Let me make sure it is on. And the carrots are the hardest thing here. So I'm going to just put these in one at a time. What that has done is over here I'm getting the pulp, and over here I'm getting the juice. Hi Paula, nice to see you. And now I'm going to turn my speed, actually I'm going to keep this on because I'm going to include some green apple. And I have green apple specifically because it doesn't have as much sugar, and at this point I'm trying to minimize the amount of sugar. And now I'm going to turn down just to include a whole lemon. I'm turning down the speed. And this is a peeled lemon, which goes great with all that. Actually, lemon helps to make food taste sweet. Now I'm going in for romaine lettuce. That's about half a head. And you might say, oh, is that ever awful? But you know what? Greens are just so important. We don't get enough of them. And let's see, I'm going to bring this, that's about the whole head of romaine. And now for cilantro. And I like the taste of cilantro. Not everyone, can you have some? Well, if you come over, you can. But this cilantro is very good at detoxifying. So I want to have a lot of that, and I actually like the taste of it. You could also use parsley if you don't like cilantro, because I know some people, cilantro tastes like soap to them, and I'm not one of them. I really enjoy it. Okay, so we have 1 apple, 2 carrots, 3 stalks of celery, a lemon, a head of romaine, and some cilantro. And I've got about 16 ounces of juice here that will be really, really easy to drink and get a lot of nutrients very quickly. I'll be filled with these wonderful enzymes. It will help to populate my gut population into beneficial organisms, because keep in mind, this is all organic. Doesn't have a lot of pesticides. And you know what else this does? It gives you an energy boost like you couldn't believe. It's almost like you're drinking an espresso, because it's just straight, easily absorbed, and a great way to detoxify. So if you find these, Facebook Lives beneficial, what I'm going to ask you to do, I'm coming on 27 more days. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, there are 3 dots where you can get a notification for when I go on live. So go ahead and do that. And anyway, thanks so much for listening. And if you have any experience with juicing, let me know what your favorite kinds are and if you've ever tried it before. All right, thanks so much. Bye-bye.